Number 5 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. Are you looking to bring your LEGO creations to life? Well, buckle up because I've got just the thing for you. Introducing the FLASHFORGE 3D printer, a top-notch choice for all your LEGO printing adventures. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer is a game-changer. It offers a range of capabilities to make your LEGO building experience even more exciting. Equipped with advanced technology, this printer allows you to print in multiple colors and materials, just like the real deal. No more settling for monotonous monochrome models. The FLASHFORGE 3D printer lets your imagination run wild by enabling you to create vibrant, multicolored LEGO masterpieces. Don't worry about your prints warping or losing their shape either. The heating bed of this printer ensures rapid and steady heating, resulting in high-quality prints free from deformations. It's like giving your LEGO bricks a cozy, snug environment to come to life. Cross-contamination? Not on this printer's watch! With its anti-scrape design, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer minimizes color bleed during dual-color printing, making it perfect for professional applications like industrial design, architecture, and mechanical engineering. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for LEGO. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.